one word from God can change your life. You're listening to Daily Prophetic. Not every change of circumstances begins with a huge leap. Often it begins by walking faithfully, walking step by step. I see you walking with the Lord, hand in hand. He is right there with you. He's not walking somewhere else, but he is close to you. And the Lord says, I am walking with you faithfully. I'm walking with you hand in hand and step by step. Trust in my presence with you, for it is my presence with you that changes the whole story. It is my presence with you, my closeness to you, that defines what is happening now. For I am the Lord who is right there by your side, the Lord who is encouraging you, the Lord who is leading you forward. There's no reason to be afraid, there's no reason to fear, for I am the one who has loved you from the very beginning. I'm walking with you hand in hand. I'm walking with you step by step. To receive a personal word, click on the link in the top left of the screen or visit requestword.com.